My name is Engineer Badum Monitor, the current president of Ohanes and League, Six Nations. So I thank everyone that is here today, and thank the God Almighty who made it possible for us to gather like this. Because you may look at the table as small gathering, but it is not small gathering because there are a lot of spirituality that gathers here too. Our ancestors are here because the God Almighty can never joke with our ancestors. And most of these our ancestors are priests, which we call Leche. So we thank them all for gathering us because it's not easy. And we thank them mostly for our brother, Professor Chiko, the celebrity, who made it to Thailand by honoring our invitation, because we invited him to come to join us at the time our Igbo celebrate his Ovala and the Owajindi Igbo. So fortunately or unfortunately, he could not make it that time due to some certain reasons. So but now he's available to honor the invitation. We say thank you very much and welcome. It is so this is a preamble video in order for us to present to the people that men are here, and Igbo Matakoshi is live and direct, and the Lolo is live, and our wives are here. Starboy is here with his wife. Soludo is here. Uchenna is here. Ushenik is here. The chairman of Anambra State, Charles Okoye, is here. And also myself.
No, President General.
Oh, and also President General of Royal Friends Club, which I am the secretary. That is Oda Woisibaka. So because you know we made it there. If you read what I put down there, you will know that there is, you know. So and our Honorable Chikobi and my humble self. So we say welcome to our wives. This is a celebrity.